Thank you for taking the time out of your day to watch this video. Welcome back to my page. Today we're making a simple yet delicious baked chicken. Before we go any further, please, I'm asking you to give the video a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. All right, so I have two lovely chicken here. I'm gonna go ahead and we're gonna use one. Now I'm going to cut my chicken up joint by joint. You can cut them in smaller pieces or you can cut it in two, however you want to bake your chicken. All right, or you can do quarters as well. I'm also keeping the skin on. You can remove it if you want, and I'm going to go ahead and rinse it with lemon juice, and I'm also going to use some vinegar to rinse it as well. Once it's rinsed, I'm going to pat dry, and then we're going to go ahead and season. Now I'm going to make a marinade with a combination of spices and herbs and whatever seasoning you can find, or just use your favorite season that you normally use on your chicken. We're just gonna make a delicious marinade so we can marinate our chicken overnight. Once all my seasoning is combined, I'm also going to add some orange to give it that orange flavor, and I will also list the seasoning that I use in the comment section and in the description box, just in case you guys want to use the same seasoning. All right, and even though I'm using a variety of seasoning, I'm using it in moderation, so it's not gonna be salty. All right, and I don't use any extra salt. So after adding the olive oil and the orange juice, I'm going to add a little spice, so I'll add some paprika and cayenne powder. All right, or if you want to use hot sauce, whichever one, it's totally up to you. Now that my marinade is complete, we're gonna mix it up and we're gonna pour it on the chicken, rub it under the skin, and just make sure that it is properly distributed. Next, I'm going to place it in a Ziploc bag. If you want to put it in a sealed container, whatever, but we're gonna marinate this overnight because remember, this is Saturday night and I'm doing this for a Sunday dinner. So here it is, nice and seasoned. It's the next morning and it's time to cook dinner. I grease my container and I'm going to lay my chicken skin side down. In the last 20 minutes of baking, I'm going to flip it so that way the skin can get to have some color at the end. All right, so we're gonna give it about 1 hour at 375 degrees. In the last 20 minutes of baking, I'm going to pump the oven up to 400 degrees, and it's at that time I'm going to flip the chicken skin side up. Whatever liquid is left in the bottom of my Ziploc bag, I pour it over the chicken, and that will help keep the chicken moist while it's baking. You can also add some butter, but remember we have the orange juice and the olive oil, so that was needed. And I'm also going to go ahead and pour off the liquid after that first hour, and I'm going to make a light sauce just with some meat sauce and the liquid from the chicken and some ketchup, a little honey, not too much to make the chicken sweet, and I'm also going to add some hot sauce. If you don't like spice at all, you don't have to add the hot sauce, but this was not spicy. It just had just a little kick. Yeah, it was perfect. Now to give the chicken a little color, I turn the oven off from 400, put it on broil, and I broil it for 5 minutes on low. And here we have our lovely baked chicken. And I'm being quite honest, maybe one Sunday of each year, we don't cook rice and peas. That's how often we cook rice and peas. Like, I don't know, everybody in this house just go crazy for rice and peas, I guess. So yes, to go with that lovely baked chicken, we have some lovely rice and peas as well. All right, I hope you all enjoyed the video, and if you haven't liked the video, please go ahead and give the video a thumbs up. And we also made some seafood pasta salad. It was so yummy. Yeah, so go ahead, give the video a thumbs up and share it with a friend or family, and leave a comment in the comment section as well. It helps my page when you interact with me and shows that you are interested in my video. All right, thank you for watching. I appreciate every single one of you, and everyone who keep watching my video to the end. You're a real one. I appreciate you guys. All right, stay safe, stay blessed, show some love, and I'll catch you in my next one. Bye. Have a lovely weekend, guys.